Alright, William Drummond here, welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series of videos of Unity RPG game 2D platformer development. Semi-vlog, semi-tutorial, okay? So if you're new here, if you stumble upon my channel, here's a quick catch-up. So we have made a lot of achievements, and I'm making the attack, especially the combo attack system. Let me show you. So here's a recent results. So we can move, okay, we can jump, and we can dash. Okay, we got this. If you dash to the wall, you will stick using the sword to stick to the wall. Gradually slide down. We can jump, of course. We can quickly get it down, or we can wall jump. Okay, so let's do that. So we can wall jump and then stick to it again, then wall jump. Yeah, hold that. So yeah, so pretty good stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, I already made this basic attack. Okay, let me just quickly move to the view. So we got J for attack, okay, and we solved the exit problem, so we can actually enter that multiple times, and we can exit. Okay, we actually at the end of frame. This is not using a specific time, but rather I'm using the animation timeline. I got the end of line, end of frame, then exit. Trigger this exit. So yeah, we solved a lot of problems. But here's something interesting. I'm going to add another tag animation that based on the time. I'm going to play around with the time, and if you like press it long enough, okay, you're going to get the combination. So 1, 2, 3, 4 attack. This is strangely hard for you to understand. Actually, it's for me, from my experience, because the combination, the combo attack, can get pretty messy pretty quickly. Let's think about this. So you have to add a certain order, so sequential. Remember, I said that I created the art based on sequential movement. So let me show you. So basically, this is the second animation that I draw in Photoshop, and I already import this in my game. Okay, so if you go to the animator, you can have another animation play like this. I do that sequentially because this should be followed by the first attack. Okay, the attack is here, and by which I mean, okay, let me just get rid of this state, so it just become an idle state. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really matter. So by which I mean, the first attack is like move, like this movement. The second attack is like this movement. Okay, so it should be combined. So you can get like a first to second, okay, or first, second, third if you got like a third animation, or first, second, third, and fourth and fifth. Okay, and you can break at any point. This is very, very important because that's the basic logic under the combo. Okay, you can go 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Okay, and of course you also need to have a specific window, because if you leave that window, the next attack will start from the first attack. If you're inside the window, you can get 1, 2, 3 like sequential animation. Okay, this is really, really important for you guys to know that. Okay, I know it may be pretty hard to get around at first. So what I'm going to do is to add some debug functionality inside our basic text, so you guys can see it more like visually at least. So what I'm going to do is to declare, okay, declare something, because text state, yeah, I'm going to declare something here. So first, I'm going to declare a private is animation finish. Oh no, private a integer that can get the basic attack count. So I'm going to have a counter. I'm going to call that combo count. Okay, so combo count will start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, all that. And I'm also going to check the window. Okay, so it's animation. So private, I'm going to check the time by using float. The last basic attack time. Okay, start with, yeah, okay, let's start with 0. Yeah, let's do not initial a specific value. Okay, let me just leave it blank, a placeholder. And then what I'm going to do, basic cooldown. Yeah, we can sort that cooldown. So cooldown period. Private, basic attack cooldown. Cooldown. I'm more like a time frame, okay? So I'm going to use a different name. So combo window, okay? And 0.5 frame. Yeah, so you have to, yeah, yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to like test the time frame, but let's just show you how I debug this. Okay, so when you enter, okay, and you trigger this combo. So what I'm going to do is to if our combo count equals to 0, basic attack 1, 2. Yeah, that's kind of one way of doing it. So, but I want to quickly get the guys print out the log so you guys know what's going on. So first, right now I just got like a combo 1 and 2. So starting counting with 0, so 0 and 1. So if it's bigger than 0 and 1, so bigger than 1, and time selection cooldown set as to 0. You do not need and actually you're going to need all. So either of the thing come true. So if you go back, like you play all the animation and finish all the animation, you should go back to the first attack. Or you get outside of the window, okay? So like you attack and move a little bit, okay? So basically, let me show you. So you attack here, and you wait, and move a little bit, and then attack. You can't possibly got the combo, okay? That's because I draw the animation like this. So it's like slashing down, and then I'm going to swipe it up. So this two animation is a concept to just shoot like play together, like going down and then up. Okay, so you have to like inside of a specific time frame and set a pretty low or value like 0.5. That's because I want it to be like the concept to play out the animation that I draw. So that's pretty good. So the time is bigger than or equal. Yeah, big. That's pretty good. Then just reset the combo count. Okay. And I believe you can like use the debug to quickly get the log out, reset combo, and we can plus the combo count. Okay. Reset combo count. Yeah, we can actually see the right now the combo. Right, the combo count and then enter. Yeah, I think reset combo is pretty good. Because when you do that, you reset and then I'll say current. Yeah, let me say something like and current combo count and then combo count. Okay, so you can print it out. It's a kind of like a variable that constantly updates. Okay, and then you every time you have to like update the combo. So what I'm gonna do is to exit. So you're going to update the combo plus like exit, you plus it, right? And last basic attack time will be get hold of time. Okay, that's pretty good. And then I'm going to print it out, combo count. Okay, yeah, that's already pretty good. So all that is inside the basic attack. We already got at least one basic attack, so we can debug it and see the count, the combo count inside of the console, okay? Because I print the log out, so I want you guys to quickly see it, and then we can actually add animation, okay? Because I already add this animation in the animator, so I'm going to use a sap. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. Let's just stay here. So right now, nothing in the console. Let me just get the console. Nothing, okay? Then attack. We got this reset combo, current combo 0, combo count 1, okay? 1, then 2, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You look at number here, okay? I know it's pretty hard for you guys to actually see that. So attack, reset, okay? Print that multiple times. So we'll not see a lot of like going down. So if I like continue to add like a 2, so it will inside the time frame this should update. So continue. All right, this updated. That's because the count to 2. That's because I use that consecutively. So 6, 7, okay. So continue to update. If I just play around a little bit, and then I play this, you should go to reset, and then just to go to 1. Okay, I think that makes sense. And then let's pause this and actually do the animation. So let's go back. I believe I already created like a 2 state to actually got the animation, animator. Yeah, I already created like 2 basic attack state. But I sort of want this to be inside of the animation. So let's just delete this one as well as the other one. Where is my another mouse here? Okay, let's just get my mouse working. Okay, it's working. Let me delete this as well because I want to create a substate machine. Okay, and I'm going to double click just to get a thing inside, and I'm going to call this a basic text. State basic. Okay, how to spell it? Basic attack. Okay, so in here, then we can add the animation. We got basic attack as well as basic attack 1, 2. Okay, you can move it inside, and so instead of default into a specific state, I'm going to enter a transition state, I think. So transition state, let's create it empty. So basically, we'll automatically enter into empty state rather than this. So we don't actually need this. Okay, let me just delete it. So yeah, we will go to the empty state, and then we got this basic attack, then got this 2. Okay, I'm going to rearrange this. The reason I use this is that this project is like extendable, so you can get like a multiple attack combo. So later, if I want to add, I can add later. Okay, so this state, then we can transition to basic attack animation as well as this animation 2. Okay, and then we are going to use a certain criteria, which normally we just use Boolean because it's really like a trigger, but this time we can use float or integer. I think about this. I think integer will suffice. Okay, and I'm going to say let's think about the combo count. Okay, I'm going to use a combo count, and depending on the specific combo count, I'm going to change. Of course, you can use exact specific string or different. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so combo count. Don't have exit time setting. It's just to make it 0, right? And condition. Okay, list is right now empty. We can cannot preview transition. Do not have exit time. Make it 0. Okay, and so I want to add the list. The condition will be combo count greater. I'm going to make it equal. So if it's equal to 0, so start with 0, 0 and then 1. Okay, start with 0. Yeah, 0. Go to the attack animation 1. Then if you count to 1, equal to 1, then go to 2. then I can add like hundreds of animation if you got the time. Okay, then you can add like 2 or 3 4, yeah, all that. And let's just move this. Then yeah, we can exit by making here and all that. Exits do not have exit times, it's just snappy. Okay, and the condition will be basic attack. Okay, so if it's true, enter attack. If false, exit. So it's not attacking. I think that's kind of straightforward. Basic attack, false, and then we can go to the basic layer. Okay, so we can have entry, make transition, go here, and we can have just the new state. Let's name this. Okay, so there will be attacked transition state, basic attack or transition state. Okay, and so you can go back here, and when you make transition, you enter. You got like a tons of things to choose from, or state machine, basic attack, or state, basic attack transition. So enter into first transition, and depending on the combo counts, so 0, 1, okay, then exits. Yeah, we don't need exit, in fact. So we can. So this is like a basic movement. I do animation. Let me reorganize this a little bit. So all this will be the basic movement. Okay, all this, and inside of the basic attack, we can actually get out of this. So we can move it here, just below. So it will be attack, and then state. Yeah, because if you double click, there is also an exit, so you don't need to worry too much about it. But remember, this is just some animator that you can quickly change according to the specific number, integer number inside the animator. But we have not been able to update this in the code, so that's exactly what we are going to do. So remember, we got this the count, the 0, 1, 2 that we printed out. We can use that number. So let's go back here. We got combo count starting with 0, 1, and then bigger than 1, go back to 0. So just 2. If you got like a more combo, you can like change this to 2, 3, 4. Doesn't really matter. Okay. But instead of just printing out this debug, or maybe just I can like okay, I can comment out. Okay, so okay, that's strange. Can't copy it. Oh, maybe it's different shortcut. Doesn't really matter. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let me do that manually. So basically, I'm setting the player, and instead boolean basic attack. Yeah, not so, because I already got like a logic inside here. So set, instead of boolean, I'm set an integer. So set integer, yeah, combo count, and passing in the combo count at 0, okay, then 1, all that. So basically, the string, you're using the string to find this integer inside of the animator, and the sub animator can get a different like logic depending on the combo count. And let's quickly test it out. Okay, let's quickly test it out to see whether you got at least the 2 thing going on. Okay, so idle animation. Okay, let's bring this a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's move, jump, dash. Yeah, everything's still working. Okay, that's good. That's good sign. Everything's still working. Okay, touching the ground. Yeah, good. And let's moment choose attack. Okay, still just the one attack. That's pretty weird. Let's go back to see what's going on. So oh, I did not like exit it. So do I? Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't have. So I use this basic attack. Got it here. 0, 1. Yeah, exit. Do not have exit. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Let's check the animation as well. So choose the animator. We got this animation, and yeah. I forgot to add this exit. So the first have animation trigger, so I actually know this ended, but the second do not have. So what I'm going to do is to to actually play. Yeah, to actually add this. So add a event that can move to here, and this event will have a function of play animation finish trigger, and I'm going to animation trigger. So basically we'll trigger the exit. Say I already played everything and I want to trigger the exit. So let's test it out. So here, let's make it a little bit bigger just to test the attack. Oh, it's not going to get the second animation, which is pretty weird. Because if it got like one, should get the second animation. Now let's go to the animator to look at what's inside here. Okay, yeah, I can't get what's inside, so gotta be something wrong here. Okay, some glitchy things going on, which is weird. So it seems to never got to the second. So we just go to the basic attack, but the attack count is not adding to the second. Yeah, let me do a quick debug. It seems I know this. So this is the behind this code. So the setting will only become 0. Okay, so sorry about that. I should like select an Alt and go moving down. Just play it at like outside. Okay, so if then reset. Okay, otherwise you just need to update. Okay, hope that will solve the problem. Okay, let's try this again. Finger crossed. I have not tested, so just like I want to be completely honest with you guys. So I want to quickly test this again. So hopefully it will solve the problem. And I did not edit everything out because I want you guys to actually see what's going on. Yeah, second. Yeah, that's about it. So basically, if you look here, we got first animation, first and second. Okay, so let's go back to scene so you guys can see the animation more closely. So first, let me just click here. First attack, second attack. First attack, second attack. First, second. Yeah, shoot. There's a little bit bug because I made this attacks count 1, 2, 3. Combo count. Yeah, the window is too much. So if other than that, or set that. Yeah, that's pretty weird. When you enter, yeah, I want it to be like constant updates. First, this should be like lower 4.5. And if you look at here, I can still like count all the way to 3. So maybe an update should be better. But at least we can get a separation. The code is not as perfect as I imagined, but there's a bug. I will solve that later, because it's just when enter the attack state. So as you can see, this is like always bigger than this always inside of a window, so you can always got the second attack. I don't want that. I want to do that like in sequential order. Okay, I solved these glitches and I modified a lot of the code, and it turned out it's just It's really stupid. This here I do not have a fixed a 0 exit, so you got like flip this a little bit. So yeah, it's really stupid. I checked the logic and checked this debug. Yeah, it turned out it's a really simple one. Just do not have exit time. Do that manually in your timeline. Okay, get animator. Okay, got the get animation and get the tag, and then we can do that event trigger manually. Okay, so yeah, let's see the result. Okay, so I can attack. So I need to click it here. Okay, attack, attack, attack. Okay, so it's inside the combo. Attack. Okay, wait a little bit. Attack. First attack. So if inside attack, attack. Okay, combo. Attack, 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 attack. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we can do this combo thing, or you can do once. Okay, and move a little bit. Do once, and move a little bit. Do once, move a little bit. Do once. Okay, or you can do a combo. Combo. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's try other things. So make sure it's not broken. That's good. I can still do this. Of course, the wall jump. Yeah, I love this wall jump. Yeah, pretty good. So wall jump, and then wall jump, then I can get out of here. That's pretty good. Yeah, and of course all this attack combo still working. If I have more time, I will. By the way, I got another channel called Learn Digital Art. Okay, so if I have more time, I will like create more animations. So right now I'm pretty comfortable with this, and also I get a sort of a framework in basic tech, so I can add things later on. Just add more animation here, and then go back here, and I can add this criteria. So if I add one more, it will be 2. Yeah, and then based on this 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, because start with 0, add more animation here. So yeah, pretty good, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give me a thumb up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.